Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a professional AI LinkedIn photo. Now this is going to be a very quick and easy tutorial, so make sure you watch all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is download this app, which is called Remini, and you can see its name in the top left corner if you're unsure how to spell it. So what you're going to want to do is first download that, and then once you have done that you can open up the app. And then from here, we want to head to the bottom middle where it says AI photos. Now from here, it says let's set up your AI profile. So to start with, you first want to choose your gender. I'm male, so I'm just going to choose male. And then from here, we have to actually upload 8 photos just to show what we actually look like. And they will use those photos to build our professional LinkedIn AI photo. So go ahead and select 8 photos of yourself. As you can see, I've just chosen some pictures of Elon Musk. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and click continue. And then we can actually choose a model image. Now what we want to do from here is to scroll down until we see the option that says curriculum. And here we can see all of the model images. So we basically want to choose which one we want our image to look like. So if we wanted just a professional AI LinkedIn headshot, we can choose this one in the top left where he's wearing a suit with a blue tie. So all you have to do is click on that. And then you can choose use this model image. And then from here, we just have to wait a little bit. And then it says here, estimated time is 6 minutes. And then after that, we will have our professional AI LinkedIn photo. So as you can see, we get 6 photos and we can just swipe across to see all of them. In my opinion, these photos do look a bit weird, but that's because I used photos of Elon Musk on Google. So they were like super HD and these photos have come out looking really HD, which is a little bit unnatural. But of course, if you're using selfies from your camera roll, it's going to be a lot more natural photos that you're using, and the outcome's going to come out looking a lot more professional also. So if we do decide we like these, we can click this button in the bottom right corner to download it, or we can click the one on the opposite side to delete it. So now that we've done that, we can change the model if we want, so we can choose a different one of these, and we can just test it out until we have a professional AI LinkedIn photo. So that's how you can create a professional AI LinkedIn photo. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.